How to rename video on Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to rename video on Capcut. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Capcut application on your device. Make sure it is downloaded and installed on your device whether you are on PC or mobile device. Once you launch, you will land on this Create Project section where if you have any projects, you can simply select a particular project or video which you want to rename. As you can see, currently this project name is Say21016. In order to rename this, simply you have to click on the three dots of this project. Now, on this drop-down menu box, you will get four options. Select rename and then you can delete this particular name and then easily rename the video's name and keep whatever you would like. Suppose if I want to keep this a sample, you can easily press enter after that and you can see that we have renamed this video name. So that is how you successfully rename the video or project name on Capcut. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.